In this media, you will learn about online remote fault detection and analysis using condition monitoring. Let's see a sample R and D model on a machine by making use of online condition monitoring, CM, and remote fault detection. After conducting many tests, a tribological strategy is proved to be successful in developing an online remote condition monitoring technique, which is shown in the figure. This highly cost-effective system helps in retrieving several minute parameters, like index of the particle covered area, IPCA, surface roughness, viscosity, oil moisture, and so on. This remote condition monitoring technique system gathers data using a remote wear debris analysis system that is connected with the local monitoring system by proper telecommunication methods. The data collected contains all the parameters regarding fault detection and condition monitoring. This data collected can also be transferred to another remote system using internet connection for further analysis. The information obtained from the wear debris analysis and oil sampling help analyze different working stages of the machine. This tribological system contains various sensors for detecting the different parameters and for sending them to the remote wear debris subsystem for further fault analysis. These sensors are online, graphically representing the parameters to compute the values of IPCA, number of wear particles, wear type, color saturation, oil moisture, viscosity, and so on. The different system operations, such as image processing for wear debris, data analysis, signal transmission, and so on, can be made simpler by executing them in a remote subsystem. Experimental analysis done. For finding the suitable parameter to address the potential fault detection, a machine was taken as a model. It was allowed to work for 100 hours. The online sensors took lubricant oil samples every 2 hours. For offline oil tests, the lubricant oil samples were taken for a period of 12 hours. Some wear particles were then intentionally added to the lubricating system. Abrasion occurred, and finally, the machine got damaged. All the data retrieved by the machine sensors were transmitted to an online remote wear debris subsystem for detailed analysis. Interpretation. Thus, the researcher was able to collect samples from this experiment during the 3 main phases of the machine. First is the initial running condition. Second is the slightly defective condition. And third is the damaged condition of the machine. It was found from the research that the IPCA was the key parameter that immediately responded to the changes when monitored using that method. Conclusion. IPCA value is selected as the main choice to find potential faults by the online remote monitoring system. The figure shown is the one processed by the online sensor during the online IPCA monitoring. Hence, this strategy of online remote fault detection system will definitely help in improving the condition monitoring techniques. Thus, you have learned about online remote fault detection and analysis using condition monitoring.